The following video is a HARDINGE speed lathe with a FAGOR CNC control and an ACCUSLIDE 2-axis slide on it. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
All right, let's go into jog mode and we'll move our axis around, which is option 5. Make sure your e-stop is off. Let's go ahead and jog our seat. All right, our X. All right, so X. Drawbar is currently closed, open, closed. And then we can turn the spindle on, forward direction. Stop, has brakes, reverse.
Again, the preceding video was a HARDINGE speed lathe with a FAGOR 2-axis ACCUSLIDE attachment.